Today I'd like to talk about 5 reasons why we are on a mission to empower individual investors and traders with financial education. Isn't it ironic that throughout the world, the US is considered a financial superpower, but many of its citizens remain financially illiterate and completely ignorant when it comes to managing their money and planning for their financial future. According to the Milken Institute, only 57% of adults in the United States are financially literate. While a majority of parents say they are responsible for teaching children about finances, 31% say they never talk to their children about money and finances. Some of you may not have heard the name of an independent investment research firm, Dalbar Inc., but they have been conducting research for investor behavior since 1984. If you ever followed their research, you would have noticed a consistent theme keeps on coming up. What Dalbar research studies have shown us is that investors are more often than not their own worst enemies when it comes to investing. Their most recent study shows that over the last 30 years, the average equity fund investor has realized a 7.13% return versus the S&P 500 index return of 10.65%. Now, this 3.52% difference may not sound like much, but it is costing investors a fortune. In terms of dollar amounts, an investor who invested $100,000 would have grown their investment to about $789,000 at an annualized rate of 7.13% and to more than $2 million at an annualized rate of 10.65%. You see, that is more than $1.2 million difference. I have put a link in the description below to the Excel sheet I have put together to prove this if you would like to run these numbers yourself. Professor Daniel Kahneman won the Nobel Prize in 2002 for his work on behavioral finance. Kahneman points to the fact that one has to be extremely cautious in financial decisions. He shows that when it comes to investing, people make irrational decisions. He shows that it may feel like that people believe in something because they have arguments for it, but it works the other way around. People believe in the conclusion and they create supporting arguments. Kahneman shares some advice on how to make important decisions. You should slow down and get advice from a particular kind of person, someone who likes you but does not care too much about your feelings. That person is more likely to give you good advice. Retail traders and stock pickers are typically considered dumb money by Wall Street. They generally lack the knowledge and are not sophisticated enough. Now, sometimes they do become a powerful force and get noticed by creating large swings in some stock prices, but with that exception, they can be easy prey for brokers and hedge funds. Also, you may not have noticed that many a times inexperienced investors get greedy and buy the market at market tops, and then they get panicked, they sell the market at market bottoms. In fact, they should be doing exact opposite, as Warren Buffett says, sell when others are greedy and buy when others are fearful. Finally, retail traders are jumping into complex products such as options, futures, leveraged and inverse ETFs. without really understanding the risk of these products and how these products can be a double-edged sword. They are using penny stocks, bitcoins, and non-fungible tokens in hopes of making a quick buck without really understanding how fast and how much they can lose their hard-earned money. To summarize, we believe that financial education is imperative and should be taught very early on so that everyone has a level playing field, especially in the era of rising inequality. Number 2, when it comes to investing, you should not be your own enemy. Number 3, a rational thinking based on sound logic should dictate your investing decisions. Number 4, get financially educated so that no one can ever dare to call you dumb money. Number 5, when using complex products, you should evaluate the risks first and rewards later. We believe that if we bring awareness of these challenges investors face, we are adding a significant value to help them realize their financial goals. That's why our mission is to empower 100,000 people through financial education so that they can attain financial freedom and pursue their purpose in life. Thank you.
Email us or text us for questions or comments. Book an appointment with us to see if you qualify to be our client. See links in the description below to subscribe to our newsletter and YouTube channel. Or connect with us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram for world-class financial education brought to you by 3D Holistic Wealth.